Features of fly shearing cut to length line. The rotation motor automatically senses the rotation, and the manipulator automatically pulls out the cutting material, cuts and unloads automatically. The motor drives the circular blade to rotate at high speed to ensure that the cutting section is neat and burr-free. It has strong adaptability and can cut rolled products of different materials such as stainless steel, copper, galvanized sheet, aluminum, etc., with a production capacity of up to 720 pcs per hour. Speed up to 80 meters per minute. Features of fixed station shearing cut to length line. Using photoelectric tracking, high accuracy and smooth operation. The length can be arbitrarily determined according to needs. Using stepper motor frequency conversion speed control, efficient operation to reduce errors, speed 30 meters per minute. Fixed station shearing is also suitable for customization in heavy gauge cut length lines, shearing coils with a thickness of 6 to 20 millimeters. Adopt automatic counting and settable counting alarm. Improve accident safety.